Good afternoon, students. Today we have also studied the characteristics of division Pteridophyta. The division Pteridophyta, it was the first successful group of plants. First successful group of plants. That is why it is also developed than that of the bryophytic plants as well as thallophytic plants. That is why it is also called as a successful group of plants. Then we also studied some important characters of division Pteridophyta. The first important character of division Pteridophyta is the members of division Pteridophyta are first vesicular and true land plants. First vesicular and true land plants. Land plants. Hence, it was commonly called as first successful terrestrial plants. The members of division Pteridophyta are first successful terrestrial plants because of या group मध्ये first time observed the vesicular tissues are also seen. In bryophyta, in thallophyta, vesicular tissues are not seen, but in members of Pteridophyta, vesicular tissues are also seen. That is why it is called as it is a first vesicular and true land plants. Or it is a successful group of plants. This is a group of pteridophytic member or group of Pteridophyta having primitive type of conducting system is also present. Primitive type of conducting systems such as xylem and phloem are also present, or primitive type of conducting system is also present. This is a primitive type of conducting system or primitive type of group of plants having includes about 400 genera and 11,000 species of plants. They include 400 genera and 11,000 species of pteridophytes or of group of plants under the Pteridophyta. Next one characteristics, they having true roots, stem and leaves. In first group of plants, plant body is thalloid, that is undifferentiated of root, stem and leaves. But in this group of plants, having true roots are present, stem and leaves are also present, and that is simply roots, stem and leaves are well differentiated, are well developed. Then plant body is consist of pinnate leaves, or plant consists of pinnate leaves. For example, this is a pinnate leaves. पेड़ मध्ये पिन्ना शेप or pinnate leaves. These pinnate leaves are also small, called as a microphylla. Small pinnate leaves called as a microphylla, and large pinnate leaves called as a macrophylla. Microphylla and macrophylla. Then another one characteristics. The members of division Pteridophyta are growing in moist and shady places. Moist and shady places, showing saprophytic and gametophytic stages in their life cycle. Gametophyte and sporophyte is also present, and due to the gametophyte and sporophyte, they showing two stages of their life cycle pattern. Next one, they showing heteromorphic alternation of generation. Heteromorphic alternation of generation is present in the pteridophytic group of plants. Heteromorphic means different, that is gametophyte and sporophyte are the different stages, and heteromorphic alternation of generation is present in the group of pteridophyte, in which sporophyte is diploid in nature. It is also dominant and autotrophic mode of nutrition and also independent. त्याच्यामध्ये जो काही स्पोरोफाइट आहे तो स्पोरोफाइट आहे डिप्लॉइड म्हणजे 2 in number. डिप्लॉइड dominant means well developed, autotrophic they prepare their own food material, and also independent. ही महत्त्वाची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे. ब्रायोफाइट्स मध्ये आपण पाहिलं स्पोरोफाइट आणि गॅमेटोफाइट हे एकमेकावरती डिपेंडेंट असतात, बट इन टेरिडोफाइट्स स्पोरोफाइट इज इंडिपेंडेंट टू गॅमेटोफाइट. Next one, in this group of plants, primary roots are present, and these primary roots are short lived. जे primary roots असतात त्यांची लाईफ सायकल शॉर्ट असते, and these primary roots after death they replaced by adventitious roots. प्रायमरी रूट ची लाईफ सायकल शॉर्ट असल्यामुळं ते प्रायमरी रूट ऍडव्हेंटिटियस रूट मध्ये रिप्लेस होतात. स्टेम सेकंड कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे स्टेम. स्टेम मे बी एरियल हवेमध्ये असतं पूर्णपणे. अनब्रांच्ड अगदी इरेक्ट बॉडी असते, सरळच्या सरळ वाढतात, इरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन लीव्स आर जनरली पिन्नेट लीव्स. Scaly leaves are scaly, simple and sessile, or also large pinnately compound leaves are present in the members of pteridophytes. The next one characteristic. This is a group of plants having conducting system. Primitive type of conducting system is present, and this is a primitive type of conducting system having xylem and phloem. Then xylem is consists of only ट्रॅचिड्स. टेरिडोफाइट्स मध्ये झायलेम कशापासून तयार झालेला असतात? ट्रॅचिड्स पासून. and phloem is consist of only sieve tubes or sieve cells. phloem हे sieve cells किंवा sieve tubes पासून तयार झालेले असतात. the next one in pteridophytic plants secondary growth is absent. secondary growth absent असते, ती डायकॉटची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहे. secondary growth is absent because of due to the absence of cambium. cambium absent असल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी सेकंडरी ग्रोथ absent असते. झायलेम आणि फ्लोएमच्या मध्ये एक रिंग शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर असतं, त्या रिंग शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चरला म्हटले कॅम्बियम. बट इन अ टेरिडोफाइट cambium is absent. And last one characteristic, common example in our syllabus such as नेफ्रोलेपिस और फर्न, त्याचे वेगवेगळे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत आपल्याला ते टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये दिले आहेत. पण वी हॅव ओनली वन एक्झाम्पल इज आल्सो स्टडी, दॅट इज नेफ्रोलेपिस. इट इज अ कॉमन एक्झाम्पल. दिस इज नेफ्रोलेपिस और इन मराठी इट इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज नेचे. हा जो काही प्लांट आहे इट इज प्रेझेंट इन आवर लोकल एरिया, लोकल प्लेसेस. These are the some characteristics of division Pteridophyta. And a short point है economic importance of pteridophytes. Economic importance of pteridophytes. The members of pteridophytic plants or pteridophytes are also used as a medicinal purposes in our daily life. They are also used as a medicinal purposes, as well as some members are also used to soil binders. त्यांच्यामध्ये माती धरून ठेवण्याची कॅपॅसिटी असते, सॉइल होल्डिंग कॅपॅसिटी, माती धरून त्यामुळे सॉइल बाइंडर्स. मेनी व्हरायटीज ऑफ टेरिडोफाइट्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड टू ग्रो ॲज अ ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट. शोभेचे प्लांट किंवा आपल्या गार्डन मध्ये घरामध्ये शोभेचे प्लांट, ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी ग्रो केले जातात. दीज आर द सम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ॲज वेल ॲज economic importance of pteridophytes.